Welcome back, my name is Tiffany Noah, and today we're gonna play Car Race 3D. Yes, we are playing looks like a kids game, but in this world, I am, whom I, well, practice completed, but let's get, alright. Dude, where am I going? Oh, oh yeah. What? Oh, first nice. First nice, dude. Alright. Let's continue on 28th. Is that hot? I don't know, I think it's hot. It says that, but this just ignore it because alright, I'm going north. Alright, going there. I'm sure on the edge right now. What? Dude, that was a massive. I effed up so bad, I went into a bomb. I came in north lane. No. You know what? Let's have fun because there's no point of. Yeah. Dude, where are we going? I'm coming first night. Oh my god, yes. Then they went into a bomb. %. Alright, I'm 12 now. 53 stars. Oh my god, looks so good. Loopy loop. Now, stay in the middle, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. Oh yeah, come on. I can't control the car like that on the edge, but I can go do that. So let's go. Was it a practice race or was it just a regular? I don't know what the hell that was. I didn't look. Congratulations. Level 5. Alright. Let's go ahead and do that. I think this wasn't a regular. Do. I can't control, but it's not that hard to get out of the way. Dude, I nearly fell off, jeez. Jeez, I'm wrong driving, I'm doing this. Oh, what a landing! That's alright, I'm coming first place, that's not too bad for me. I don't care. No one starts, not too bad. 4 stars. I'm 5th. Hi. Speed boost to get the... You know what? Get the speed boost going. Oh. Won't drive that shit, baby. Oh, that ain't good. I'll get straight over here. Dude! That one to the bottom. Jeez, I'm all doing so good. Oh, jeez, I'm first place, come on. That was pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Coming first place. Timing first place after all. I think I'm way ahead of first place now. So, 21 stars. I'm 91 stars. You know what, let's go to Gerard. What if I... Not enough money? Oh, I don't have enough. This is take racing. Okay, I'm doing some tricks. Look at that. Oh my god. Let's bounce off like that and go. You get my way. You too. I'm coming for your ass. Come on. Oh. Let's go. Yeah. First base. Oh. First base. 30 stars. 80% star night. Pretty nice already. This is complete the star night one. Because I really just wanted to... I hope I don't want to do anything. Yeah. Good. On good. Where was that? You get my way, you son of... And how can I still got fifth? Alright. Alright, pretty good so far. I'm gonna... Oh! Alright, cool. Cool. My internet might be going off all the time, so it might be just one that time, so now I've got to talk next night. So let's go. Let's go, dude. $26. Oh yeah, I got it. 12, I mean. Let's do one cool. Let's do this one first. on the gun right now, so dude, I'm keep drifting everywhere, man. Dude, stop driving on the wall and get the coins. You're so tricky to control. Really, sometimes. I'm driving on the wall again, driving on the wall again. Oh yeah. One more try. The next one. So, and my index got off. Why, dude, why? Why my index gonna be a dick? Dude, I'm one to a stupid bomb. Wow. And that stupid pole in the way. As well, but I'm feeling like I have a one jacket. Sorry, but it doesn't matter either way. But this, alright, I'll make nice. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that's not to subscribe. I think this is a pretty good game, but I love this game. It is enjoying a little bit because I love when I play games like this, but just competitive sometimes and stay on top, yeah. Stay on top. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, I hope I'll see you guys in the next video, maybe tomorrow night, yeah. See you guys tomorrow.